Choosing the best windows for Michigan weather starts with understanding insulation, durability, and long-term performance. In Sterling Heights, homeowners dealing with freezing winters, humid summers, and rapid temperature swings need replacement windows that can handle every season. Energy-efficient window replacement. Sterling Heights MI options often include double-pane window replacement. Sterling Heights, Michigan. Triple-pane window installation, Sterling Heights MI, and thermal replacement windows in Sterling Heights, Michigan homes, all designed to reduce heat loss and improve comfort. For many properties, storm-resistant replacement windows. Sterling Heights, Michigan also makes sense, especially when paired with quality frames and weather. Sealed installation. If you are comparing window replacement Sterling Heights MI options for homes, the right choice depends on your home style, budget, and performance goals. Vinyl replacement windows for homes in Sterling Heights MI are popular because they are low maintenance, affordable, and efficient, while custom window replacement Sterling Heights MI is ideal for unique openings or design preferences. Homeowners looking for residential window replacement Sterling Heights often choose between double-hung, bay, awning, and specialty styles based on functionality and curb appeal. For older homes, new windows for older homes in Sterling Heights MI can preserve character while improving energy performance. Knowing when to replace old windows can save money and prevent ongoing damage. Common signs you need new windows include drafts, condensation between panes, rising energy bills, sticking sashes, water intrusion, and visible frame deterioration. If you are searching for drafty window solutions or window repair and replacement Sterling Heights, a professional inspection can determine whether glass replacement, frame repair, or full house window replacement in Sterling Heights, Michigan is the better investment. In many cases, aging units in Sterling Heights, Michigan home window replacement services are replaced before they lead to structural issues. The average cost of window replacement Sterling Heights MI varies based on size, material, glass package, and installation complexity. Homeowners comparing window replacement cost in Sterling Heights MI 48312 or affordable window replacement in Sterling Heights MI 48310 should request multiple window replacement estimates. Sterling Heights MI to evaluate pricing and scope. Factors such as custom sizing, frame condition, and labor can affect the final total. Window replacement financing in Sterling Heights MI can also make larger projects more manageable, especially when upgrading multiple rooms at once. Professional window installers, Sterling Heights provide more than just installation. They ensure proper fit, sealing, and long-term efficiency. Licensed window installers in Sterling Heights, Michigan understand local building expectations and the challenges of installing windows that perform in Macomb County weather. Whether you need window installation, Sterling Heights MI for a new opening or window frame replacement. Sterling Heights MI for a damaged structure. Experienced crews help reduce air leakage and improve overall performance. Top-rated window replacement installers, Sterling Heights, Michigan, can also advise on style, material, and energy ratings before the project begins. For homeowners focused on comfort and efficiency, the benefits of new energy-efficient windows go far beyond lower utility bills. Energy-efficient window replacement Sterling Heights. MI can help stabilize indoor temperatures, reduce furnace strain, and improve year-round comfort. Many households also appreciate noise-reducing replacement windows, especially in busier parts of the city near major roads. If you want eco-friendly window replacement options, modern insulated glass packages and durable vinyl framing can support both sustainability and long-term savings. The right window style can dramatically improve both performance and appearance. Double-hung window replacement. Sterling Heights, Michigan neighborhoods often fits traditional homes, while awning window replacement Sterling Heights works well for ventilation in bathrooms, basements, and smaller spaces. Bay window replacement Sterling Heights is a strong choice for adding natural light and architectural interest, and replacement windows for ranch homes in Sterling Heights MI often benefit from a mix of fixed and operable units. Custom window installation services in Sterling Heights, Macomb County can tailor each opening to your exact dimensions and design goals. Homeowners searching for local expertise often want a window replacement company in Sterling Heights, MI, near Dodge Park, expert window replacement near Lakeside Mall, Sterling Heights, or energy-efficient window replacement near Mound Road, Sterling Heights. These service areas matter because local crews understand the housing stock, neighborhood expectations, and climate demands unique to the region. Residential replacement windows in Sterling Heights, Macomb County require careful installation to ensure lasting performance, especially in homes exposed to wind, snow, and seasonal moisture. A solid replacement window consultation in Sterling Heights, MI should include a full assessment of your current windows, frame condition, energy loss, and style preferences. Home improvement window services in Sterling Heights, Michigan often begin with identifying whether you need full window replacement or targeted glass and window replacement in Sterling Heights, Macomb County. For homeowners comparing the best window replacement companies near Sterling Heights, Michigan, the most valuable providers are those that offer clear recommendations, accurate measurements, and a range of products suited to both modern and older homes. For practical buyers, window replacement options should balance cost, efficiency, and appearance. Window upgrade services in Sterling Heights, Macomb County, MI, can include better insulated glass, low-maintenance vinyl frames, and advanced weather sealing to improve year-round performance. If you want same-day window replacement, Sterling Heights, Michigan for urgent damage, or window repair and replacement, Sterling Heights for routine updates, choosing a company with flexible scheduling and local inventory can speed up the process. In many cases, residential window replacement, Sterling Heights is also an opportunity to improve home value, reduce maintenance, and enjoy a more comfortable living space for years to come.